everyone, welcome back to the TV Premier Services YouTube page. I'm Haley and today I'm going to show you how to make a lean green smoothie. You could have this after you work out or for breakfast. It's super easy and minimal ingredients. We're going to start with some spinach. We're going to throw in a banana. We're going to take some almond milk. This is about half a cup. And some protein powder. This is optional, but it will make your drink sweeter. This is a vanilla protein powder. So I throw that in. And I have one of these GNC mixers, which is super easy to use. Pop it on right here. Once you are done, you can go ahead and pour it into a glass and enjoy. Cheers!